Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Sandy here, and today I am going into restoration hardware to see if I can get a little bit of home decor inspiration. It is nothing like taking a walk through a furniture store or a store just to get some ideas of what you can do in your home. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Now, if you're not familiar with Restoration Hardware, it's a name brand national catalog and furniture retailer that is known across the US and Canada. They're known for luxury, high-priced furniture and home decor. It is all very, very beautiful. They have a lot of nice, clean, minimalistic looks, very high quality. A lot of differentiations in their interior designs, and the furniture store is set up in rooms, so you can go in and you can see the entire room set up, which is really, really nice to see. Now, their furnishings are sort of a cross between modern and antique in some cases. They're also known as having a weathered European look. A lot of the pieces are very rustic, made of cements and stones and neutral colors, but just very clean, crisp lines. That's just the way that I describe it. Really, really neutral and just really nice. I really enjoy looking at the way that they've set up the rooms and how they've styled everything. Very, very nicely done. I love a bed that is made very well, and I love Restoration Hardware's bedding. I'm always on the very pricey side. It is very beautiful, very neutral, and timeless. All of their pieces are very timeless. So if you pick up any of their furnishings and everything, you could have it for years and years to come. It would never go out of style. You may get tired of it, but you could always add different colors and styles with it to kind of refresh the look. But just look at that bedroom set. It is just so nice and clean and just classic. Just classic, which I'm really feeling, especially for the fall. I just love the black and white. I love the stone colors. I love this shelf here. It is just gorgeous, just beautiful. Were you inspired today? I sure was. I enjoy walking through stores and getting design ideas. Now, I can't always afford what I see, but I enjoy looking at it anyway, and I am always out for the hunt of a dupe. And there's so many options for dupes. You can go to Home Goods, you can go to At Home, and you can thrift. So that is what I normally do after getting my inspiration. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some design tips. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave today without giving me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time I upload a video, which is once or twice a week, and it's always around home decor, shopping hauls, thrift hauls, and a few little DIYs here and there. I would love to have you as a part of the Sister Cousin Lifestyle family, and I hope that you'll come back by. And if you're a returning family member, thanks so much for your support. I do appreciate you. And until next time, bye-bye.